Hello everyone. So it's been a long time without taking you for a nature walk. So let's go for a nature walk today and I'm going to tell you a story. So the story is all about a girl. Yes, a girl who was born and brought up amidst nature. She wanted to become a bird because she wanted to be free bird, and teaching happened to her, and she started teaching. She got all the love from her little bio princess and bio prince, and she was enjoying with her life. At the same time, her students enjoyed a lot learning from her, and also a lot of students scored good marks in their exams, and a lot of ranks were produced from different competitive exams. So she was teaching, she was enjoying, her students were enjoying, but suddenly she had to stop teaching, because in the organization that she was teaching, she was asked to stop teaching and she was asked to sell potatoes, that too for 10% discount, which was about to reduce for even 5% for the upcoming months. Yeah, are you enjoying the story, students? Yes. So the girl who was enjoying with her students teaching, she was asked to sell potatoes, and the target that was being given was 1 lakh for a month during the worst time of definitely COVID. So I hope you have understood the gist of the story. Definitely the girl was not Vindhya ma'am. Yes, so students, I would like to say that I'm very happy actually, because 2 of my students, they cracked exams, NSCJS, actually many students. So we will be having interview with one by one. So one of the student who once again cracked, like the different student I'm talking about, NSCGS exam is Madhulika, and you're able to see her ranks. And another student who cracked once again NSCGS exam is Smith. So you will be able to see the ranks and everything, and we will be having an interview with them, students, and they will be guiding you that how you should be going ahead. So stay tuned. I have a small question, students. Please answer in the comment section. Is the quality of the good educator is selling potatoes? Please answer in the comment section, please. So finally, a small announcement which might be important for you or which might not be important for you. That is, I left an academy, and I will be taking up my classes, which is going to be 1-on-1 in the Skype, if anyone is in need. And regarding the details of the class or as such, if you want to inquire, like if you want to ask, please send me a mail for the following mail address.